In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Figma, a crucial skill for any designer or collaborator using this popular interface design tool. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident when navigating these actions within Figma. First, let's start by opening Figma in your web browser. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that's widely used in the design community for its real-time collaborative features. If you haven't used Figma before, you'll need to head over to their website, figma.com. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is click on the Login button. This will take you to a page where you can sign in using your preferred method, whether that's through Google, an email address, or another supported login. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the Figma home screen. Here you have access to your recent designs and projects. It's a handy starting point to navigate through your various design files. Now, what you want to do is click on the section labeled Home. This will direct you to the central workspace of your Figma projects. Next, navigate to the design area of the Figma interface. You'll usually find this option prominently displayed, as it takes you to the main workspace where all the design magic happens. This area is where designers spend most of their time creating, modifying, and perfecting their projects. Now that you're in the design interface, focus on the top left corner where you'll see the main menu icon. Clicking on this menu icon reveals a drop down with various options and tools that are essential for managing your design process within Figma. Within this drop down menu, you'll want to click on the Edit section. The Edit menu is crucial for performing basic editing functions, including one of our main focuses today, undoing actions. Under the Edit menu, you'll see the Undo option. Clicking Undo will reverse the last action you took, allowing you to step back and correct any mistakes, or to try a different approach without losing your previous work. This feature can dramatically enhance your workflow and efficiency. Remember, if you ever make a mistake or simply want to go back a step, using the undo function is your friend. It's a great way to experiment with your designs, knowing that you can always easily revert any changes. This process might seem straightforward, but it's incredibly powerful, especially when working collaboratively or when morphing complex design ideas into reality. And that's how you undo actions in Figma. It's a straightforward process, but an essential one in ensuring that your design process remains flexible and adaptable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, knowing how to undo confidently can greatly enhance your creative workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Figma.